Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Ashish Agnihotri with us from Oriano. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Thank you so much and thank you for having us here.
Sir, can you just let us know about Oriano, like how and when it came into the solar industry?
Oriano solar business from 2010 when we did our first solar thermal project. This was under JNN 4, and post that we slowly migrated towards solar PV because the thermal prices were at record high while PV prices were crashing. So it was becoming more viable, and from there onwards we have been going from strength to strength in the PV arena as well. Today we are like 250 odd people. We are doing like 600 to 800 megawatts per year and developing a lot of new things. So we have come a long way from it's a technocrat driven company. So we are very strong technically. That is our strength.
That's great, sir. And if we talk about this REI 2024 itself, so any like projects that are currently you have like any launches, anything new you have come up this year, or any projects that are in pipeline, if you could share with our viewers?
The idea of having a presence in REI is multifold. It's not only communicating whether we have got projects or not. We are here for vendor development because roughly the entire industry is here. So we come to know all the new developments that are happening. Plus, in terms of our projects, we have, as I told you already, we have a healthy pipeline. The projects which we are doing as of now are roughly around 400 megawatt, and another 600 megawatt is at a pre-bid kind of a stage, and we expect the closures to happen within this month. So this year we should touch a gigawatt in terms of commissioning.
Sir, if we talk about the particularly the solar market, solar industry, so how it looks like to you, the solar market for the Indian solar market for 2024 and 2025?
See, post the movement in the solar modules, the prices have come down in modules and the viability of projects has increased, and hence the volumes are going up. All the stalled projects are going up, plus the new projects that are being bid are also getting implemented. So the implementation is going to be higher, commissioning is going to be higher, and there is enough and more room for all the equipment manufacturer, EPC players and developers.
And if you share the business like financial year for Oriano, how was it?
Last year we did 360 crores in terms of top line. It was also a record year for our bottom line as well. And so that is what it is, and hopefully we'll get listed soon as well.
That's great, sir. We wish all the luck and all the best for your future, sir.
So much.
Thank you so much, sir, for being with us.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.